Hello guys, Game Changer's back again, and in today's video I'm showing you the 5 best custom Siri shortcuts you can get on one app, so I hope you enjoy.
Thanks to Chuck Norris, the astrological sign Virgo will now have to be renamed Prino.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet.
Yo mama's so fat when she wears one of those X jackets. Helicopters try to land on her. Yo mama's so fat when she got hit by a bus, she said, "Who threw that rock?" Yo mama's so fat when she fell, no one laughed but the ground started cracking up.
So guys, you've just seen all the shortcuts that I was talking about. Personally, these are pretty much the only ones that I use. I don't use none of the actual shortcuts because I don't think they're really necessary as such. There are a couple of cool ones that I have used. I just remove them every time I make a video because I got them saved in my bookmarks to re-download later. So yeah, you want to go to the website in the description below, press on the link, you'll go to the main website, and then you'll press on the download and it'll bring you to a Royal Eels. This is where we need to make money from this because pretty much we're using a pro subscription to keep our website up and running, and it's a pro subscription that runs a few different websites. So you want to click on the first captcha. Sometimes there will be an actual captcha there, not just a button to click past. Then you wait 10 seconds, then you press get link. Take you to Dropbox. If you have got Dropbox installed, I recommend deleting it. If not, you can always share the mobile config and then paste the link that you're sharing straight into your Safari, and it should allow you to download it the same way. And then you want to put direct download, install, put your password in, install again, and then done. And then there it is on the home screen. So I know some of you might moan, I just made a video on this, but we've been updating it a lot because this is one of mine and Apple Tech Videos projects. So yeah, and we have got some pretty cool custom shortcuts on here. So I honestly recommend you check it out. And I'll leave the voice here, let you see what we got, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.
Yeah, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the rhythm when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game, bitch, I'm an animal, eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up, this shit is for me. me, this shit is for me. Bitch verbatim, working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.